Hey guys, Mr. Newman here, and I got a request to do number 59 from the 4.3 homework. So, what I'd like to do is actually, if you read the instructions, it says find the values of theta in degrees between 0 and 90 degrees, and radians 0 and pi over 2 degrees. So you notice it says without the aid of a calculator. Now, I have the unit circle drawn here, but you should have this memorized or should be memorizing it right now. So I'll tell you on the quiz when we get there, you will actually be given a blank unit circle so you can use that as a skeleton to fill out to help you on these problems. Now, it does say between 0 and 90 or between 0 and pi over 2, so I only care about this first quadrant right here. So I'm going to zoom in on that real quick, okay? So here we go. So the problem says secant of theta equals 2. And I'm going to draw our reciprocal rainbow because I think of things, and it helps to think of things in terms of sine, cosine, and tangent. So I'll write these out: sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant, draw the rainbows, and I know that secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So if secant of theta equals 2, cosine of theta equals 1/2. So what I'm really doing is I'm looking for which triangle has SOHCAHTOA, so CA adjacent over hypotenuse, where the adjacent is 1/2. Now, I know that the hypotenuse is 1, so I'm really just looking for the triangle where the adjacent is 1/2. So I'm going to draw the two triangles that I suspect, okay, because they both have 1/2 in the coordinates up there, the red and the blue one. And let's think about, all right, which of these is going to have the adjacent be 1/2? Well, 1/2 is less than root 3 over 2, because 1 is less than root 3. So I know that this side right there at the bottom is 1/2, so I'm really caring about the red triangle. That means that this angle right here, which is pi over 3, that's the angle we're looking for. So theta is pi over 3. And you can check this by finding secant of pi over 3. So if I look at secant of pi over 3, I'm looking at the x value, the reciprocal of that. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2, and so that is my answer. Thank you very much.